Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on healthiest kitchen. In today's video, I bring to you how to make stew to pair with your ayoyo for your Tuo Zaafi. So if you want to know how I made this yummy stew, please stick with me to the end of this video. In a saucepan, I have my protein, which consists of cow tripe, meat, liver, and many more. So I will add salt to taste, add beef seasoning, and then I will add my blended ingredients, which are onion, fresh garlic, ginger, and fresh oregano. So I will add a little bit of water, cover it, and allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes because the cow tripe is a little bit hard and we want it to be soft as possible. Once the meat is ready and very tender, we will then set it aside. In a pan, I added some palm oil, and you can use any oil of choice. Next, I will add some onions and then saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. I will then add blended onions and garlic. I will stir it and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Next, I will add some tomato paste, and you can skip this part if you are not a fan of tomato paste. I will stir it gently and allow it to fry for 5 minutes. Next, I will then add some blended tomatoes and pepper, and here I lost the clip, so I allowed it to boil because I want it to be moisture free. So here I came back to give it a stir because I don't want it to stick to the pan. I will then cover it and allow it to fry for some time, because if you are cooking with palm oil and you don't take care, it will mess up the whole place. So here I'm stirring it once again. As I said earlier, I don't want it to stick to the pan. I will then add cowhide, known as kwakuma or kehuro or wele. As you all know, there is no Tuo Zaafi without kwakuma and yemadie. So next I will add my yemadie and the meat, and then I will gently stir. And for the cowhide, it is straight from my freezer and it will take time for it to loosen up. At this point, I will add the beef stock to the stew and cover it, allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on low heat, and make sure to be stirring it continuously because we don't want it to stick to the pan. I want to take this opportunity to thank all my new and old subscribers and to my other foodies who always support me. Thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'm nothing. So here I will add some seasoning cube, add some salt to taste, give it a stir for everything to be well combined. If you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so, okay? And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a new video. And I am on other social media platforms as healthiest kitchen, and I will leave all the links to that platforms in the description box. Do well and follow me there as well, okay? So here, this is the consistency we want. Tuo Zaafi stew doesn't have to be thick, okay? So next, I will garnish it with some peppers, and because I didn't add enough pepper initially because of the kids, I will then stir it once again. cover it and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, the stew for Tuo Zaafi is ready. Why, just look at this stew and tell me that Tuo Zaafi won't be delicious. Just try this recipe and let me know in the comment section, okay? And you can as well DM me on Instagram if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions. You are very welcome. So I served my Tuo Zaafi with some ayoyo and then added the stew, and I already uploaded the Tuo Zaafi recipe. You can check it out, and for the soup it will be uploaded next. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.